Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gold tester is probably one of the most important tools for anyone dealing with gold, whether you're a jeweler verifying the purity of your materials, a collector ensuring the authenticity of your pieces, or an investor protecting yourself from fraud. This device offers a quick and accurate way to determine the carat of gold, saving you time, money, and potential heartache from buying counterfeit items. In this video, we will explore the features, functionality, and overall value of this essential tool, helping you make an informed decision before purchasing. Number 5. GTE Jewelry Tester Kit. It quickly and accurately determines the carat of your gold, silver, and platinum jewelry. Get reliable results in seconds, saving you time and money. This kit has everything you need for testing and appraisal. It's the perfect solution for jewelry enthusiasts and investors. 2 large touchstones provide a safe testing surface. They're designed to prevent damage to your precious jewelry. The included acid neutralizer quickly cleans the touchstones after each use, keeping it in top condition. It's a must-have for anyone looking to invest in gold, silver, and platinum. Make informed decisions with confidence. It's fun, fast, and easy to use. Anyone can test their jewelry with accurate results. What we like. It provides quick and accurate carat readings for gold, silver, and platinum. It's an all-in-one kit, perfect for beginners. If you are looking for a simple, yet effective way to test your precious metals, this is the one for you. What people say. The test kit is excellent, the solution's fresh and works great, at least for the gold which I used. I am assuming the same is true with the silver and platinum solutions. It's easy to use and seems to do what it is designed for, which is all that matters. Has everything I need to test gold, silver, and platinum. 10K and up are covered for gold and the test is easy to use. Great value, and bottles were nicely sealed around the caps. You get 2 stone surfaces 2 by 4 inches each, which is adequate for testing different gold carats side by side. Number 4. Jewelry Tester Appraisal Kit. This comprehensive kit helps you accurately test the carat of your gold, silver, and platinum jewelry. It's fast, fun, and easy to use. It determines the carat of your precious metals in seconds, saving you time and effort. Get precise results every time. The included touchstone provides a safe testing surface that won't damage your jewelry. Test with confidence. This kit includes a digital scale, diamond tester, magnifier, and more. Everything you need for thorough testing is right here. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, this kit is a must-have for anyone looking to buy or sell precious metals. Make informed decisions. This kit is designed for ease of use. Even beginners can confidently test their jewelry and understand the results. What we like. This kit is a multifunctional tool including a digital scale and magnifier, beyond testing carats. It offers more features for a comprehensive assessment. If you need a more detailed analysis of your jewelry, consider this option. Number 3. ED18RS Electronic Gold Tester. This innovative device is designed for accurate and efficient gold testing. It's a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike. It provides precise measurements of carat and purity, ensuring reliable results every time. Say goodbye to guesswork. The intuitive design makes it easy to operate, even for those with limited experience. Get accurate readings quickly and easily. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed for long-lasting performance. It's a worthwhile investment for years of reliable service. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, from jewelry appraisal to gold recycling. It's the perfect tool for various needs. With its accuracy, ease of use, and durability, it's the ultimate tool for all your gold testing requirements. Invest in precision and efficiency today. What we like. It's an electronic tester, offering precise and reliable results. It's designed for professional use. If you are a professional or serious collector, this is a great choice. Number 2. DH600K Gold Purity Tester. This innovative device combines Archimedes' principle with advanced microelectronic technology for precise precious metal analysis. It's fast, accurate, and easy to use. Get results quickly. It offers a fast testing time, stable performance, and accurate purity readings, saving you valuable time. It's designed to be completely non-destructive. There's no damage to your sample, and no need for harsh chemicals or standard samples. The large water tank minimizes errors caused by buoyancy, ensuring highly reliable results every time. This improves the accuracy of your measurements. Its integrated design is incredibly durable, resistant to wear, drops, and corrosion. The transparent tank allows for easy sample observation. It utilizes a high-quality sensor imported from Germany, ensuring superior accuracy and reliability in your gold purity testing. What we like. It uses a scientific method for accurate and non-destructive testing. It's durable and easy to use. If you prioritize accuracy and want to avoid damaging your precious metals, this is your best bet. Number 1. Professional Jewelry Testing Kit. This kit is a must-have for anyone who works with or invests in precious metals. It's designed to make testing fast, fun, and accurate. The kit comes in a beautiful, handcrafted wooden box. This protects your testing solutions and keeps everything organized. It includes an authentic GTE touchstone, a safe and reliable way to test your jewelry without causing damage. It's the perfect size for easy use. This kit lets you quickly and easily determine the carat of gold, silver, and platinum jewelry. Get accurate results in seconds. A 30xI loupe is included for detailed inspection of your precious metals. It helps you examine the fine details of your pieces. Everything you need for accurate testing is included. It's a complete, professional kit, ready to use right out of the box. What we like. It comes with a protective box and a touchstone for safe testing. It also includes a magnifier for detailed inspection. If you value the safety of your jewelry and want a well-organized kit, this is a great option. What people say. This metal testing kit comes with everything you need to verify the type and quality of metal you're looking at. The kit comes in an intricately compartmented wooden box. Most of the compartments are small and designed to hold your various acids and chemicals closely. It comes with a 30x jeweler's loupe and a scratch stone with a non-slip surface on the back. The procedure is very easy. Scratch your metal item on the stone, back and forth a few times, in a spot that won't show the scratch. Really, the scratch is very minor. I couldn't see it without the loupe after I did it. But still, try to pick a spot in the back of the piece if you can. Next, apply your clearly marked, appropriate acid from the kit. Repeat if necessary. There are several formulas for testing gold. The instruction booklet will help you interpret positive or negative results based on whether or not the line dissolves fully, partially, or not at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.